Video editing is the process of rearranging video shots to create a new work. Editing is usually considered to be one part of the post-production process. Other post-production tasks include titling, color correction, sound mixing, etc. In a simple way, video editing is the process of taking video that is raw, meaning untouched or newly recorded, and taking away clips of that video that are not necessary to your story or point of view. This course will include all the post-production process, which contains rearranging, adding, removing sections of video clips or audio clips, applying color correction, filters, and other enhancements, creating transitions between clips, and more. We will use one of the greatest editing softwares ever, which is Adobe Premiere Pro CC. So, what are you waiting for? If you want to be a professional video editor, enroll to this course and I will see you inside.